Hey, what is up guys, this is 3G Dimps and today we're going to be installing this MAF Airflow Sensor Adapter and the filter. When you buy this, you can buy just the adapter itself or with the filter and the clamp. These are the tools you're going to need to install the MAF Airflow Sensor Adapter and air filter. You're going to need the flathead screwdriver, you're going to need a 10mm, you're going to need an extension, you're going to need a ratchet or an electrical ratchet. So before we get started, we're going to have to take off this bolt and this bolt. There's another one back here hiding, and there's gonna be one more right there, and then we're gonna take off this clamp right here. Now we're gonna take the bolts out and take everything apart. And don't forget to unhook the sensor. So I didn't mention that there's going to be one more bolt, so you just take this bolt out. Take it out. Now what you're going to want to do is take this off. And what you're going to want to do, there's this other part at the bottom. Just have to play around with it. And take it off, and it's done. So now when you get this part out, you're gonna want to take off these 4 bolts right here and then take off the MAF Airflow sensor. So now that you got the MAF Airflow sensor ready, now you're going to want to put the adapter to it and put the bolts from the back inside. And then get the little nut and put it on. Same thing with all of them. So when we're done with that, we're going to want to go over here, get the MAF Airflow sensor and put it on. We're going to tighten it up. It's not going anywhere. Now what you're going to want to do is get your air filter. Make sure it's tight on there. Make sure you want it like that, however you want it. And then you're just going to tighten it up. And then after that, you're going to want to plug in the MAF Airflow sensor. And you're good to go. This is the final result and how it looks. Well, I hope this video helped y'all out. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. This is 3G_DIMPS, and see you next time.